Time and attendance allows staff to clock in and out of their shifts. This then populates their timesheets, allowing you to run payroll reports. When you first enable time and attendance, you'll be asked to set up your pay frequency. Once this is done, your staff can start clocking in. There are two primary ways that your staff can clock in and out: on their phone via the RotaCloud app, and using a PIN on a shared terminal set up at your workplace. When you click your Attendance tab, you'll see your employees' timesheets populated with their clocking in and out times. You can select an employee from the list on the left and select a pay period using the drop-down above. To the right of this, you'll see your employees' timesheets, showing the time they clocked in, clocked out, and their total hours paid. Should you ever need to, you can simply click in a box and manually adjust the clock in or out time by typing your preferred time. When you're happy, timesheets can be approved, ready for you to run your payroll. To access your payroll reports, click Go to Payroll. You'll then see a summary of each employee's payroll and can click the downwards arrow here to select the report you'd like to download. For full guides on all your time and attendance features, check out our help articles at help.rotacloud.com.